Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest in fitness and wellness technology. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Fitbit Inspire 3. This remarkable fitness tracker is designed to help you achieve your health and fitness goals like never before. Let's dive right into the world of fitness and discover what makes the Fitbit Inspire 3 stand out in the crowded market of fitness trackers. Features of the Fitbit Inspire 3. Sleek and stylish design. The Fitbit Inspire 3 boasts a sleek and stylish design that looks great on your wrist, whether you're hitting the gym or attending a business meeting. Heart rate monitoring. With continuous heart rate monitoring, you can track your heart rate throughout the day and during workouts, helping you optimize your exercise routines. Activity tracking. The Inspire 3 tracks your steps, distance, and calories burned, providing you with insights into your daily activity levels. Sleep tracking. Get a better understanding of your sleep quality with Fitbit's advanced sleep tracking features, including sleep stages and sleep score. Smartphone notifications. Stay connected without having to check your phone constantly. Receive call, text, and app notifications right on your wrist. Water resistant. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is water resistant, making it suitable for swimming and providing peace of mind during unexpected rain showers. Long battery life. Enjoy up to a week of battery life on a single charge, so you can focus on your health goals instead of constantly recharging your device. Fitbit app integration. Sync your Inspire 3 with the Fitbit app to access in-depth health and fitness data, set goals, and track your progress over time. Customizable bands. Personalize your Inspire 3 with interchangeable bands to match your style and mood. Uses of the Fitbit Inspire 3. So, how can you make the most of your Fitbit Inspire 3? Fitness goals. Set and achieve your fitness goals, whether it's increasing your daily step count, improving your sleep patterns, or tracking your heart rate during workouts. Health insights. Gain valuable insights into your overall health and wellness by monitoring your activity, sleep, and heart rate trends. Stay connected. Stay connected to your digital world with convenient smartphone notifications, so you never miss an important call or message. Wellness journey. Embark on a wellness journey with the Fitbit app, where you can visualize your progress, set new goals, and stay motivated. Fashion accessory. Elevate your style with the Inspire 3 as a fashionable accessory that complements any outfit. Where to get your Fitbit Inspire 3? Ready to take your fitness and wellness to the next level with the Fitbit Inspire 3? Visit the official Fitbit website or authorized Fitbit retailers to explore the Inspire 3 and its range of accessories. Choose the Inspire 3 that suits your lifestyle and get started on your journey to a healthier you. In conclusion, the Fitbit Inspire 3 is your companion on the path to better health and fitness. With its sleek design, advanced features, and seamless integration with the Fitbit app, it's a powerful tool to help you achieve your wellness goals. Thank you for tuning in to learn about the Fitbit Inspire 3. If you found this video informative, please show your support by liking and sharing it. And if you're a Fitbit Inspire 3 user, share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Together, we can inspire others to lead healthier, more active lives. Until next time, may your steps be purposeful, your heart be healthy, and your Fitbit Inspire 3 be your trusted fitness companion. Stay fit and stay inspired.